Hey! In front of me is Vivo IQOO 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings, scroll down and choose fingerprint, face and password. Now you need to click on enable the lock screen password and choose other password type. Then select the best login method for you by clicking on it. I will go with pattern and enter it. After that, you need to choose continue in the pop-up and repeat it. Now when I click home button, turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!